The Palau International Coral Reef Center marked its 25th anniversary this week with a gala at Nangar Amayong Cultural Center. Co-hosted by President Surang Whips Jr. and the Republic of China Taiwan, the event operated under the theme, Rooted in Community, Grounded in Science, and Empowered by Commitment. In his remarks, President Whips honored the pioneers who paved the way for the center's creation, including the late Adalbert Eleduy, as well as early champions Francis Matsutaro, Noah Izaong, and others. The President emphasized that PICRC data remains a foundation for national policy, citing recent scientific findings that led to the continued protection of the bumphead parrotfish and Napoleon worcery. The evening also focused on the next generation of Palauan scientists, highlighting researchers like Mayang Aldil Malsul. A primary highlight was the presentation of the 2026 Tami E. Rangmangsao Jr. Environmental Award. This year's recipient is Ms. Gerda Uarm, recognized for her exceptional dedication to marine conservation and her contributions to Palau's environmental future.
Ako total excited. I'm real happy to get the award. And then, I don't feel like kumulang sa ngakle, tamal maklolad, nga kamal ngak. So, ngak feel rasak na research sa level. Kira kal deserve the award. And then, akmra lungil lang ko sa pekal mesang before akpura wagel HRT. Yeah. The chance process ng ilatiawal dilbel last Friday to subra. And then was ay aling next Thursday mak. Okay. E nga ka order alay mga kagagada ako may sa jellyfish lay ul makmal dalo rasil wala ka te alle kal kamal mo ng okle o mese was nga kakmara nga metal speech nga kadikil asi. Lim na katalwo mo yung algabsigi tim natak to okle ay mo sema ul makmal talaga. El anga ka order el masuba jellyfish lay ngari nga lepart tara anga 2020 mo 2023 something like that or 2019 agi ulam mo ora education program el tal program ado titirang ka school morale ga 6th grade ma 8th grade 3 days lagi mo lis akrangal ka gotol sil sa ging classroom mastri ra ko overview ra lay ga selong erol sil sa ging titril mong sabari scientist for the tola ba equipment marulay gal lurior ka mamamrule selong edel sil etamera classroom present ay gal lurieri tiramle collect nding wal lola ka daw del marulor sige del lurior ma in the future ako mga nga daw the material yang swakal mo talagang tinyurngi lang swakal lo la mantangal ka school especially ngal ka Palau agi del exposure til mo agi del environmental bumas at tabatokal ngal rangod albaluam lamor at jellyfish lay versus CDC ngal ka Palau alone. Ako tuluul sel malrulaw mong masab emlungil adrablay mobiot talaga wasigi sel suaman marulungi orangs malang mesra dalam madamam ay ako talmaklaw tutarele selbot sab emal dulisay tab dal morabway ang itasan matter ko sa ngara kamarulungi hindi still ang ada di mesra wasay olek ngegi dinggal buy gal mudu arngul mral kadung sektak lang lak lang mari grablay magarang mangdi moyor at alar ngulangal kamsel klamariare ngaringil musubra toy bora school ang dia kadibol musuba ngidil ngarang lang kaya one itiaklol time aldiro ko say hindi awul makadaseng di kaya yangal kaya kadungul exposure ngil mara karos toy mangsabi alangal kal mo identify gel sawal sellable bora school ang di mo start tel musuba mga mara edal mo merek start tel apply kaya gidel nya sawal marula taklop say.
The gala successfully raised over $140,000 to support the center's ongoing research and education programs. The formal evening concluded with a ceremonial cake cutting and a dinner where guests viewed photographic displays of the center's 25-year history. The funds and the celebration underscore a continued national commitment to balancing resource protection with sustainable development. Reporting from Palau, I'm Ngalday Tulop.